Here we are with an Power XLD9500Q diesel generator. Just arrived into stock. It's rated at 6.5 kilowatts. Standby output. Has a 110 and 230 volt output socket, electric start, multimeter and glow plug starting. 26 litre tank, long run. Fully supported here in the UK. Also comes with some sockets and simple toolkit, filler funnel, books, and a lifting eye, I think, screw in lifting eye. So inside here, when you receive it, you check the oil. Sometimes they come with oil, sometimes not. This is the oil filler. This is the oil strainer. So that's changed during a service. And this is the oil drain point. The batteries normally come disconnected, so you have to connect the negative cable. You have to remove these clamps and then take the battery out. Air filter is located behind that panel, and the battery charge rectifier and AVR is behind that panel. Okay, let's start it. So typical of any generator of this size, it's not silent, but it's not too bad. It could be worse. Alright, thanks very much for watching.